Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Apple rice pulao is a delicious and aromatic dish, perfect to serve as a part of meal or as a snack, or it makes a good lunchbox treat. This recipe will serve for. I have already cooked rice. I used 1 cup rice, and after cooking it expands to 4 cup. So we are going to make the apple sauce and mix the rice in apple sauce. So let's get started. Let's begin by making the apple sauce. I like to use the heavy bottom pan and large enough so you can mix the rice in the same pan. So first I'm going to put the apples. I have peeled and chopped 3 apples, 1 Granny Smith apple known for its tartness and used to any other apples, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of cranberries, pinch of salt, 4 cloves. I am using 2 cinnamon sticks, they are about 1 inch long, and 3 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter. Also add about 1.5 cup of water. Mix it all. Now heat is on medium. Once apple sauce comes to boil, stir the mixture and cover the pan and let it cook over medium heat for about 15 minutes till the apple are soft. So this has been about 7 minutes. So let's check how apple sauce is doing. So we do need to cook more. Apple should be very tender and translucent. Cover it back. So this has been 15 minutes. So let's check the sauce. It looks just right. It shouldn't be very dry. It should be moist. So I'm going to add the 1/3 cup of pecans, broken pecans, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it, and it's the time we are going to add the rice. And just fold the rice gently. Aroma of cinnamon, cloves and cardamom is very sweet and filling the room. The mix is looking good. Now just cover it and let it cook on very low heat for about 2 minutes. So let's check it. Apple rice pulao. It's looking very good and very aromatic, and it's ready to serve. The apple rice pulao looks and smell delicious. I cannot wait to enjoy this with my friends as an afternoon snack. If you enjoyed the recipe, please share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and don't forget to click the bell icon for notification. Thank you.